Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Forever. I am fine and I hope that you will be all okay and fit from health by the grace of God and your loved ones are safe and happy. Dear viewers are watching the best and most beautiful collections of raincoats. These raincoats are very beautiful and charming colors, specially made for rainy season, completely waterproof and rainproof. Excellent romantic hooded raincoats. Dear viewers, if you want to see much more collections about fashions, please visit my YouTube channel Fashion Forever and search videos about your own choice like leather dresses, latex leather dresses, hunter boots, rain boots, satin silk dresses, satin silk night dresses, night robes. Dear viewers, my video is to be end. Goodbye till the next attractive video. Be careful.